Hello, welcome to Crochetsmash. Today we will start making a small placemat, or to put a cup on it. We can call it makrak. So we are going to start with the magic circle. Chain 2, and we are making 10 double crochet. First chain 2 is considered as the first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tighten that ring. Closed. Now join with the slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. We're making a chain 3. Then we joined here, right? So we are going to do a front post double crochet. For that, go under and come out just like that. So our hook is going under this first chain 2 above, just like this. You can see it. Then you yarn over, bring it below and up. One more time. So like yarn over, then go underneath, yarn over, bring it up, then just like a regular double crochet 2, right? Then the next space or the next stitch you do 1 double crochet, again 1 front post double crochet. It's the same like increasing in a circle. So instead of doing 2 double crochet in the same space, we are doing 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. So when this round is finished, you will have 20 stitches, 10 regular double crochet and 10 front post double crochet. Here we finish with 1 front post double crochet and join to the first chain 3. Okay, the next round is again increase chain, and we insert the hook in the same space and do 1 more regular double crochet. Then in here, then next you see the previous front post double crochet, we are going to do 1 more front post double crochet and the same next space. You can do it in the stitch, or you can go in here just next to the front post double crochet. 2 regular double crochet. Then you skip this regular double crochet from the previous round and going to the front post double crochet and do one more front post double crochet. Then skip this one more front post double crochet. Somebody is here. He can resist getting into the camera and start crocheting with me. Yeah, he is. You want to crochet with me? Hey, hey, Spotty. Let me finish this one. He's a big boy. Here is my big boy. Okay. Oh. Skip this one and front post double crochet. Round is finished. So in there, it's giving a nice texture. Just go one more round. So the previous round was 2 regular double crochet and 1 front post double crochet, and was the repeat. Now this one we are going to make 3 regular double crochet, 2, 3, and 1 front post. So I'll show you one more time. Joined here, right? So we are going to use the stitch 1, 2, 3, and the same space we will do 2 more double crochet, then a front post 1, 2, 3, and 4, 3 double crochets and 1 front post. Again into the next stitch, just next to this front post double crochet, make 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and on the front post double crochet of the previous round we make 1 more front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3 regular double crochet, 1 front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3 regular double crochet, 1 front post double crochet. Let's finish that one faster. and the last front post double crochet. Here some little bit of a scalloped edging, so let us use the scissors to cut the yarn, leaving a little longer yarn tail and lock it in the space. This is just to keep a small mug, so the see, yeah, it's good, right? Now we will make a scalloped edge in a different color. I have some beige yarn, so let us bring the yarn over in the front post double crochet. So yarn over, bring it up, make a single crochet. It's attached now. Then we make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's in the same space next to the front post double crochet, between this 3 regular double crochet and the front post double crochet. And then again we are going to do front post single crochet. Now yarn over, insert hook in the space between the front post double crochet and the regular double crochet and do 5 regular double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a front post single crochet. 5 regular double crochet. One, two, three, 4, 5. Now front post single crochet. And this is the front post. So front post single crochet. 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One front post and not double crochet, single crochet. Front post single crochet, 5 double crochet, then front post single crochet, then 5 double crochet, front post single crochet, 5 double crochet. 4, 5, and we join just here at the beginning with the slip stitch. Cut the yarn with a long tail. Okay, that is all done. If you make some of these placemats, please tag me with at Crochetsmash on Instagram and Facebook. Please let me know in the comments if you need any more help with the pattern. I always say I will write the pattern in my blog, but I'm still lagging behind. This looks good. Easy peasy, right? Okay, see you next time with a different pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye now.